Hey guys, so here I'm back with another video. So till the date we have completed almost all the setting including controlling. So now we will going to post a very first document in FI. So please make sure you will maintain all the settings which I have shown in a previous almost 10 to 11 videos, like right from the creation of company to the company code and all the settings like fiscal year, field status, chart of accounts, everything you have to do. Without that you're not able to post a document in finance. Okay, so what is exactly document posting in FI? In our day-to-day transaction we say like that bank account debit to share capital account or rent account debit to cash account. So these are like a normal bookkeeping entries. Okay, so now we have to maintain these entries in a SAP system. So an accounting document is representation within the SAP system. Okay, so basically what is that? So in a normal language we can say the bookkeeping entries which we posted into the SAP system is known as a documents. Or if it's like related to then we say like purchase order is there, then we say PO document. If it's related to FI, then we say FI document. If it's related to controlling, then we say the controlling document, and so on. Okay, so here you can use the this T code FB01 F-02, and there are a lot many T codes to post a document in finance. Okay, so we will go to the system now. So here I am going to post my first document through a SAP menu. I am going to the accounting. In accounting I am clicking on financial accounting, general ledger, posting, and enter a GL account document. So here I'm going to enter my very first GL account document. Okay, I'm clicking on it. Okay, so the document date. Make sure your document date is something, a date on which a particular transaction is entered in a system. So I'll take today's date as my document date, and the posting date is a date when your document is get posted in a system. Okay, mm, I'll say my first document posting. Okay, okay, so very first like it's a very first entry. So at the time of any business gets started or any organization is started running, so what the first thing they do, they bring a share capital in. So we will make the first entry is like a bank account or a cash account debit to share capital account. So here I'll click on F4 and I'm going to search for my cash account. So what will be the entry? The entry will be like cash account debit to share capital account. So 401 is my cash account GL. It's going to be debit. Okay, and amount will be like, I'll say I will bringing a 10 lakh in my business. Okay, and then I'm again clicking here, and I'll say my share capital account is get credited. So my share account is credit and amount will be 1 lakh. Okay, so as I enter this all the information, I'm going to click on enter. See, I'm getting an error, and entry is required in item text field for account 401. So if you remember, at the time of creation of field status group, I had selected a text entry is a mandatory option. Okay, if you are not remembering this, then please go back and watch that video. You will realize. So here what they are saying, the entry in a text column is a mandatory. So I'll say okay, test, and I'm going back. So I'm getting the same error for 301 as well. So I'll select test one. So you have to enter a text here. Okay, or I can say like I'm bringing my share capital in, so I'll say bringing share capital in a business. Okay, this is my text, and I'm going to simulate this entry. So the simulation is like a double check that your all the details are correct. See, so here the document type is SA, that is the GL account document. Your company code is N111, fiscal year is 2019. Your posting period is 01. Why? Because we are using the period, it's a financial year which start from April to March. Your document date is today's date. Document currency is INR. Document heading is my first document posting. Posting key 40 for debit cash in hand, 50 for credit share capital, and I'm going to save this document. You can post a document through another transaction code like FB01, and there are so many transaction code. We can try FB01 after this. I think it will take a bit time because the system is slow and this is the first time we are posting a document. So here the document get posted. Document number is 1200. You can display this document. See, document 1200 was posted in company N111. We can see this document. So the transaction code for display document is FB03. And if you want to change a document or any details in document, then the transaction code will be FB02. See here, you can see the document. See, the transaction code is FB03. Okay, here I can see my document. All the details are here. And if I go to the /n FB02, I can change my document. I need to enter the document number and the company code and the year. But I'm not able to change all the fields. I am able to change only a few fields which are not important, like a text or something like that. So suppose if I say, so here I'm going to change the text saying that bring share capital in business. And I'm just going to save this. So here the changes are saved. So here we are done with the document posting. So We will see the park document and the hold off document in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.